If you asked anyone at the gym, Lalah is their favorite trainer. She guides the beginners up the wall with style and has even mastered all the activities herself, like rope climbing. She also makes sure all the snacks are up to the highest standards, and she personally checks what everyone is doing. Although, it wasn't always like this for little Lalah. She was a kitten born on the street. Someone who went to the gym saw her all alone near some busy traffic. They felt very sorry for her and decided to pick her up and take her to the gym. She was like any other kitten, very curious and busy, and even climbing ladders and shelves to get a better look. It didn't take long for her personality to shine. She didn't shy away from the visitors and often had naps in their bags. And she wanted to be a part of everything going on. As more time went on, Lalah was like, what is this huge thing? It was more than her just wanting to watch the people. One day, when everyone had their backs turned, Lalah had climbed all the way to the top of the wall. Their jaws dropped and they carefully brought her down. After that, it was like Lalah had proven herself, and everyone had to know she was the boss. For special occasions, she will be their mascot. But for the price of many, many treats and lots of scratches. Which is her normal fee when she's a gym instructor anyways. People come from all over to see Lalah in the gym, even if she gets in the way of actual training. But her big personality and knowing she's safe off the streets makes it all worth it. And as everyone knows, everything is more fun with a cat.